When it comes to segmenting your audience, ActiveCampaign versus AWeber is a big decision for marketers. Both platforms offer robust features, but which one is actually better for creating the most effective audience segments? Let's dive in and break it down, so by the end of this video, you'll know which one deserves your attention and your investment. Let's start with ActiveCampaign. One of its strongest features for segmentation is its deep automation capabilities. ActiveCampaign allows you to segment based on behavior, such as website visits, email opens, and clicks, which is huge for targeting specific actions. You can set up intricate automation workflows, tailoring your messages to different segments automatically. Plus, you get access to predictive sending, which helps ensure your messages land at the right time for maximum engagement. But the platform isn't perfect. It can be overwhelming at first due to its complexity. The learning curve here is pretty steep, especially if you're not familiar with marketing automation. Next, let's talk about AWeber. This tool has been around a long time, and while it's a little simpler than ActiveCampaign, it still offers solid segmentation options. AWeber allows you to create lists, tags, and segments based on subscriber behavior. It's more straightforward for beginners, but it doesn't have the same level of depth and automation that ActiveCampaign does. You won't find predictive send or as robust workflow features here, which may be a deal breaker for more advanced marketers. However, it's a solid, easy-to-use option for smaller businesses or those just starting with email marketing. The third thing to consider is integrations. ActiveCampaign has a ton of integrations with third-party apps, which makes it versatile for many use cases. It connects well with CRMs, e-commerce tools, and social media platforms. But all those integrations come at a cost. It can get pretty expensive as you scale. AWeber, on the other hand, offers fewer integrations, but it still works well with a lot of popular apps like Shopify, WordPress, and PayPal. So, if you're a small business owner, you might appreciate the simplicity and affordability AWeber offers. The fourth thing to note is reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign provides more granular reporting options, allowing you to track open rates, click-through rates, and more. Their reports are interactive and offer deep insights, which is great for data-driven decision-making. AWeber also provides reports, but they're not as detailed. They give you the basics, opens, clicks, bounces, but you won't get as much actionable data as you would with ActiveCampaign. Now, let's touch on customer support. ActiveCampaign offers 24/7 support through chat, email, and phone, which is helpful when you're working with a complex platform. However, due to its complexity, you may need support more often than with AWeber. AWeber also offers excellent customer support with live chat, email, and phone options, but since the platform is simpler, you may find you need less help overall. Finally, both platforms come with decent free trials and affordable pricing, but if you're looking for a platform that combines ease of use with powerful segmentation features, especially when it comes to advanced automation and predictive capabilities, you might want to consider a better alternative. After trying both of these platforms myself, if you're serious about segmenting your audience for the best results, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description. There, you'll get access to a free trial with exclusive benefits that aren't available to the general public. This alternative offers advanced segmentation and automation features while keeping things user-friendly, and it could be exactly what you need for your email marketing strategy. So, while both ActiveCampaign and AWeber have their merits, if your goal is to really level up your audience segmentation game, the platform linked below might just be the right fit for you.